Golf lover guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's great to have you guys back. Hope you guys enjoyed our previous episodes so far. With our cocoa episode, did really well, so thanks guys for watching that, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So we're just on our way to the plantation now with the kids, just to check on the cows and hopefully grab some taro for Sunday tomorrow. It's Saturday here in Samoa, and it's almost 6 p.m. So yeah, we almost forgot to get taro. We do have taro at home, but it's not enough, so we're just gonna go get some taro to make up for it. And also I wanted to show you guys our new developments that we are having on the farm. A special thanks and shout out to our super chat and our super thanks, Langi Lele, for donating, making another donation to our channel. We really appreciate it, and we thank all of you guys for the support you've showed for the channel and the growth that we've had so far. So really appreciate it, guys. But I'm gonna start focusing on driving because I've got the kids in the car, and we'll get back to you soon. So I totally forgot, guys, in case you guys have noticed that we haven't been uploading lately, and part of the reason why is that it's been really hectic here at the family and as well at the plantation. Got a lot going on, and couldn't find time to make some content, but we've been busy because we're actually starting the new plantation cycle again season. So we've been really busy trying to clear out the stuff, but also I've been really busy with my car. The DPF light is flashing, so I got it serviced. It's just a filter they made for like emissions and stuff, especially this is a diesel. So I've been having a lot of problems the past week with my DPF. You can see there, you guys can see that the light's still flashing at the moment. So been real busy on the internet forums, you know, trying to find out the problem, and so far it's we're still working on it. So I've already spent $1,000 trying to fix it, but so far it's not looking too good. So, you know, it's a big loss if this car you know, fails, or you know, for some reason decides to kaput. Right now especially, it's pretty busy here at the farm with our new stuff, so fingers crossed it's an issue we can solve this week or next week, so we can get back the car, because this car has helped tremendously here on our farm. And you know, if this could do it for the car, and it's a big loss for our plantation. So hopefully it's something we can fix at the moment. But we're here now at the plantation. So as you guys can see, we are on our second lot of plantations back on this side. We've got the electric fence going, so it's not on at the moment. I think someone took off the battery, but the electric fence was set up so that the cows can help graze on this entire area and clear the grass and most of the vegetation. Usually we'd leave it to fallow for another 6 to 8 months, but because this was our previous plantation that was here, was the first time this area has been planted, we thought that we could probably get away with 2 plantations as opposed to 1, because the nutrients is still pretty dense in the soil. So we thought the month or 2 that we left it to fallow should be enough, because it's the first time that this area here has been planted anyway. So electric fence for this entire week. As you guys can see there, the cow, Uncle and Pa'a and Loy set it up, and the cow has been grazing on this entire area, all the way down towards the cattle farm down there. So we've already applied the herbicide, the weed killer, and that weed killer, the herbicide, is the 7-day one, which takes time. So it's gonna kill everything, all the weeds and stuff, and then we'll start planting next week. So this at planting the talo vave again, but we're gonna mix in some other varieties because we've learned a lot from the talo vave and some of the feedback we've got from our customers. Also, with the with this new plantation, the plantation we're going to do again, because we've learned so much from the plantation that we finished. It's equipped us with a lot of knowledge and moving forward. We're no longer going to apply, because in our previous plantations we applied the herbicide 2 times, 3 times during the growth of the taro in its vegetative state. We're only going to apply it once, and that'll be 2 months after we plant the taro. So that's going to help cut down costs a bit, and at the same time ensuring that the taro has a maximum growth, especially with all the microorganisms helping the taro. So it's trying to get that rely less on chemicals, but giving it that natural ecosystem to live in. Once we're done on that side, planting this side, we're going to move back to here. The reason why we're planting again, our taro levels are pretty low at the moment. It's quite critical level, and we've still got to keep up with demands and stuff. So we've got our plantation up on that side, and that might last us till Christmas. That'll earn us some money till Christmas, but we're just thinking ahead in the next 4 to 5 months, in which we will to ensure that we have some taro planted to cater for that. So this entire area here, all the way there down towards that area, we're looking at probably 10,000 to 15,000 tiapula to be planted. So that's quite a lot. But there's here at the farm, here and around that area, so we'll get it out. We've also got tiapula coming up from that area, our plantation up there. So that's going to help us again. So that's a little update, and that's why we've been busy. Couldn't get time to make content and stuff. Just trying to iron out everything. Just trying to make sure that everything runs smoothly. Especially we're planting this side next week. So trying to get the finances sorted. Get the people, sourcing the workers to come help out and plant this. So for the most part, it's going okay, and hopefully we can make some great content next week. So I think we're just gonna go look for some taro on that side, or maybe this side, and then we'll come back. So most of these are all woolies, because we've already uprooted most of the area here. The majority of the taro that's left here are mostly woolies, so yeah. It's a pretty decent size woolies. And these ones pack the most hit from that nice mapo taste I keep talking about. So we'll set that on the side here while I go grab just a few more. So this is one of the new plots that Watsi and Pa'a planted. This extends towards that area, and then we've got another plot that I was planting with the kids, which goes around that area. At the moment, we're harvesting one of the plots just on the right side of that plot that I was planting. And this one's set for harvest in the next maybe 4 to 5 months. So hopefully that'll provide us with a steady supply of taro, not only for eating but for selling. So I just keep looking around to see and find some of these ulis. It's the planted taro. This is the cycle variety. It's a huge taro. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Have you ever been more happy to find poo? I don't think you'll ever be in this lifetime, but I'm quite happy when I find poo, cow dung because I know, that way I know that there are cows in and around the area. So what does that mean? It means that there's a cow here, and because it's fresh, I'm assuming that cows are coming here probably during the night. So tell, because some of these taros have been stomped on. Take a look at that. See that? That's the indentation of a cow foot. I'm starting to feel like Bear Grylls. Anyway, just trying to see if I could find one more before we leave. Hopefully this black variety is good for harvesting. Someone's already taken it, as you can see. See, there's a hole there. It's already been uprooted. Hopefully it's Pa'a uncle instead of a thief, which is usually the case around here. A lot of thieves. Now I'm really interested in this black variety because to date I still haven't tasted one. So hopefully we can find a uli. I think this is one. There we go. So we can taste it. Again, another uli, and I'll grab one more. See a red one there, which is slowly becoming one of my favorites. Hopefully it's can you guys see that? It's damaged. Damaged taro. What a waste by the mangwali'i bird. So I'm gonna mark that here, throw that here. We could probably use that for tia pula next time to replant. So there's quite a lot of taro still left here in the plantation. You just gotta look for it. There could be grown taros and there also could be ulis. I see those mamoli birds. So one just fly that way. Yeah, if you guys can see it. Yeah. On the top of that branch. So yeah, there's still quite a lot of taro left here in and around the area. Mostly because that's one of the reasons why when we try to plant, just took out another one. It's I think cycle. So when we try to plant, we try to plant them in an order so that when we harvest, we don't miss out on a lot of the taro. So there's still quite a lot of taro in and around that area. But for us, I think that's enough because there's not much. I've already got, but I left us with a few taro at home when he did his taro for his family. So that's should be enough for us. Got some here. So yeah, I'm gonna take these along with the two over there, and then we're gonna head home. I'm gonna grab the other two here that we pulled out earlier. All right, that should be, that's it. That's probably it for us. I was just gonna do a U-turn in the front there, and then we'll head home. So most of these are ulis. It's a uli, it's a uli, that's a uli, that's a uli, that's a uli, and that's planted. So I think we're gonna head home. Damn kids. So guys, we're gonna head off now. Already got the taro. The cows are okay. Uncle and Louis were here in the morning, so I'm pretty sure the cows are I've already drank. If we need to come back, we'll be back tomorrow to bring more water for the cows. So just want to say thank you again, guys, for the support and the love on the channel. Really appreciate the channel has grown extremely well, and part of our our theme and our drive is to provide not only entertainment but also at the same time provide educational content that can help you in the future if you plan to come to Samoa, or even if you plan wherever you are to have a taro plantation. So we've got great content coming up. Don't miss out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I've got a new video coming up probably next week, which I will outline a few of the risks, everything that I've learned so far in doing plantations. So that's going to be a big help for you if you plan to come to Samoa and do a plantation. I'll even add in some tips and stuff, so make sure don't miss out on that episode when it comes out. But in the meantime, guys, we're gonna head home. It's getting dark. Gotta take the kids home and get a feed. So until the next episode, God bless you guys, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.